This is Asli Emre, and I'm going to play the video quiz game that I made called Quizbutt. So now I'm going to open it, and this is the main page. So there are 3 quizzes that we can play. There are also small Easter eggs. So for example, if I click on show more quizzes, then it takes me to random places on the internet. Like this. And I'm first going to play the second quiz that I have. And here I can hear the music that I made. Yes, so it played all of the choices that I pressed on here. And then I can also see text of what kind of instrument I am, which turns out I'm a trumpet. And this also shows depending on what I clicked on earlier in the questions. Also, if I clicked on this, then it also takes me to a random place. And then if I want to, I can go back to the main page and play another quiz. And if we go more further in, I would like to show you some of the Easter eggs that I planted in this game. So for example, one of them is, if you go to this website, then we go to one of my biggest inspiration for this game. I really like how badly it is designed and how confusing it is. The text here makes it difficult to read, and it's difficult to know where to go. I really like that. And if we go to the first quiz, then we get another unskippable ad. I'll just skip this. Here we get surprise, where instead of choosing an answer to a question, we're demanded to read the text that says here as loud as we can. Cows are pretty cool. And as you can hear, the mic triggers the MIDI piano here, and it only triggers if I'm speaking about a certain level. So right now it's not triggered, but if I yell like this, then it works. Yeah. And then another thing that I really like to do is make things very weird and strange. So in the third quiz, nothing makes sense. So here the commercials are also quite strange, like this one. And then if we go down, the questions also start getting more weird, like this one. And this one, the question is fine, but the answers are strange. And this is just completely strange. And the question itself is weird, and the answers that you could choose are weird. And if you click on this one, it takes you to this place, so you cannot choose that answer. And this one, and so on. So in this quiz I put a lot of strange ones. And also in this one, it's a bit unlike the other quizzes, so my answer here will be random. It's completely irrelevant with the choices that I choose, and the topic of this quiz itself. Yeah, thank you so much for looking at this quiz game music that I've made, and see you later.